We have been converting 3D logos the wrong way. As you can see, if we download it as a PNG, it always pixelates if you use the old method. The new method will make it look absolutely stunning. It will not pixelate, it's clear, the quality is just crisp. And this is how you do it. For just 2D design, you're going to go to File and you're going to export your file as an SVG instead of a PNG. So the difference is, I thought when you are downloading it as an SVG, because that's a web file, you wouldn't be able to convert it to a 3D on a mockup. Was I wrong? In any case, you're going to download it as an SVG, tick on Add Raster Graphics, vectorize your text, and rasterize your text as well, and click on Save. The file then downloads as an SVG, but as you can see, it is a web page, and this is what put me off. I thought because of it being a web page, we won't be able to convert it to 3D, but we can. So I'm going to quickly show you. We're going to duplicate the tab so that we convert it to 3D together. What you're going to do then, you're going to open a template and then you are going to pick any mockup. I'm going to use this one, and you open it up. You're going to click where it says photopea.com. That's a link, and then your mockup loads. You're going to double click where it says your logo here, and it opens up the canvas. You're going to hide the example that the designer has showed us. You click and you drag your web page to your canvas, and then it loads. As you can clearly see, because you've created it as a transparent background, it loads as a transparent background, but it's an SVG file. You're then going to size it and align it, and then you're going to press Command S or Control S on Windows to convert it to a smart object. Once that's done, you're going to click on the first tab, whichever mockup that you're using, and look how gorgeous this is. It's just absolutely gorgeous, and it looks like that, and because you have used an SV file. If you want to go watch this video of how we created this logo, go to this link that I've added on the window. Join my membership, please, and be part of our membership on YouTube. Thank you so much for spending time with me. I will see you on the next video.